Ever dreamt of living in a shipping container home? Yes, you heard that right. It's a home, but not as you might know it. Welcome to the world of shipping container homes, an innovative housing solution that's catching on worldwide. As the name suggests, these homes are built from shipping containers, the very same that transport goods across oceans. This trend is growing, and for good reason. These homes are not only cost-effective and easy to construct, but they're also incredibly durable and environmentally friendly. Plus, they offer a unique aesthetic appeal that's both industrial and modern. So, if you're tired of the same old brick and mortar, or if you're just looking for a sustainable and affordable housing option, a shipping container home could be your answer. In this video, we'll explore some top companies that can turn this dream into a reality. First on our list is Mods International, a pioneer in the shipping container home industry. A frontrunner in the realm of innovative living solutions, Mods International is renowned for their shipping container homes and structures. Their offerings span a wide range of designs and sizes, each a testament to their commitment to cutting-edge architecture and design. What sets Mods International apart is their dedication to customization. They understand that every individual, every family, has unique needs and preferences. Therefore, they offer bespoke solutions that allow you to create a home that truly reflects your personality and lifestyle. Whether you're envisioning a minimalist abode or a spacious family home, Mods International has got you covered. Their team of skilled architects and designers work closely with you, transforming your vision into a tangible reality. With Mods International, you can create a unique home tailored to your needs. Next up is Container Homes USA, a company that marries sustainability with style. This forward-thinking company provides a range of designs that take the concept of a shipping container home to a whole new level. They offer an array of designs that are both eye-catching and highly functional. Every home they design is a testament to the idea that you can make a big impact with a small footprint. Their homes are energy efficient, reducing reliance on non-renewable resources, and they are designed with sustainability in mind, using materials that are both durable and recyclable. When you choose Container Homes USA, you're not just choosing a home, you're choosing a lifestyle. You're choosing to live in a space that is innovative, modern, and mindful of the environment. And the best part? You can order your dream container home and have it delivered right to you. Container Homes USA is for those who want a green home without compromising on style. Let's explore Honomobo and SG Blocks, two more companies offering stylish and functional container homes. First on our list is Honomobo, a name synonymous with modern, modular container homes. This company is all about bringing your dream home to life with their contemporary designs and functional living spaces. What sets Honomobo apart is their ability to transform standard shipping containers into luxurious, eco-friendly homes. The beauty of their approach lies in customization. Whether you're dreaming of a compact studio or a spacious family home, Honomobo's team is ready to tailor their designs to your unique tastes and needs. They ensure that your home is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical and sustainable. Next, let's take a look at SG Blocks, a company that takes repurposing to a whole new level. They specialize in designing and building structures using shipping containers. But they're not just about homes. Their portfolio includes a wide range of residential, commercial, and industrial spaces, all crafted from repurposed shipping containers. With SG Blocks, you're not just getting a home. You're getting a structure that's been thoughtfully designed with sustainability and versatility in mind. Their designs are not only strong and durable, but also customizable to fit a variety of uses. In essence, both Honomobo and SG Blocks offer innovative solutions for those seeking unique living spaces. Honomobo captivates with their modern, sleek designs and emphasis on customization. On the other hand, SG Blocks impresses with their versatility and commitment to repurposing shipping containers for various structures. It's all about finding what resonates with you. Whether you prefer the modern charm of Honomobo or the versatility of SG Blocks, both companies offer exciting designs to choose from. Last but not least, we have Rhino Cubed, known for their compact and stylish container homes. Rhino Cubed redefines the concept of home with their innovative designs, proving that less can indeed be more. Their offerings are not just homes, they are architectural marvels that boast of a unique blend of style, comfort, and efficiency. The cornerstone of Rhino Cubed's design philosophy is sustainability. They've taken the humble shipping container, a symbol of global commerce, and transformed it into a sustainable housing solution. These homes aren't just about reducing your carbon footprint, they're about living in harmony with the environment. What truly sets Rhino Cubed apart is their efficient use of space. Every square inch is thoughtfully designed to maximize utility without compromising on aesthetics. These homes are compact, yet they never feel cramped. They're filled with innovative storage solutions and smart design elements that make the most of the available space. If you're looking for a compact and eco-friendly home, Rhino Cubed may be the perfect fit. So, these are just a few of the companies offering shipping container homes. We've journeyed through the innovative designs of Mods International, explored the energy-efficient housing solutions of Container Homes USA, admired the modern aesthetics of Honomobo, appreciated the versatile structures by SG Blocks, and finally, savored the compact elegance of Rhino Cubed. Each of these companies brings a unique approach to the table, transforming simple shipping containers into comfortable, sustainable, and stylish homes. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of shipping container homes is vast and ever-evolving. It's a realm where creativity meets sustainability, and the possibilities are endless. So I encourage you to delve deeper, visit these companies' websites, and discover the most recent innovations in this fascinating field. And remember, you don't have to limit yourself to these options. There are architectural firms, local builders, and online marketplaces that might surprise you with what they have to offer. Remember, your dream home could be just a shipping container away.